can you all stand up for opening prayer? In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. All together, the Lord's Prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us into test, but deliver us from evil. So good morning, my little pupils.
Good morning, Teacher Judy.
So how are you for today? Okay lang mo? Kapamahaw na? Okay, very good. You now sit down, class. So who are absent for today, class? Who's absent for us? Si Grace lang. Ano mo si Grace? Ha? Gaganda. So now, class, first thing to do is I'll be going to have our classroom rules to have a harmonious and organized flow of discussion. So can you read everyone our classroom rules?
Raise your right hand before speaking or leaving your seat.
So asa man yung right hand, class? Okay, very good. Next.
Listen and follow the directions.
So, kung si teacher mag-sura sa tubangan, dapat maminaw ng class ha. Then next.
Respect your classmates and your teachers.
So you should respect your classmates and your teachers. Now, class, who can review our last topic yesterday, class? Ano may natagawin sa akong last topic? Sa akong last topic yesterday. Okay, Gabriel, very good. It's all about personal pronouns. So now, I will show you some pictures. So, isa man yung kanang notice class. Okay, very good. So, can you read everyone?
Bigger, biggest.
Yes, very good. Next picture, class. What do you observe?
Taller,
Ano kang siya mga picture?
Three.
Yes, very good. It's a tree. So now, class, I have here an activity for you. So, gusto mo mag-activity? So, excited mo mo? Okay, very good. So, na may sabihin naman ng drawing class ha? So, na may mga drawings dire. So, na may mga drawings dire. Ako pa siya i-paste sa board. Okay, drawing natin. Kung sa natin first picture, class? Ha? Yes, very good. It's a duck. Kaya ito mga drawing class din na.
It's a coconut.
Igual sila.
Yes.
Uy, baka magawa ka pamahaw. Balik. So, ready na ba mo?
Oh!
Okay, very good. So, I will group you into two groups. So, count up to 1 to 2. 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. I'll group you into two groups. Pinang dami, isang mga number ka sa. Okay, balik. 1. And 4. 2. 1. Isa, kapila ka. 2. 1. Okay, sa may group Group 1 na nila. Can you stand up? Group 1.
Wait, kami naman TV.
Okay, group 1, stay sa mga sa front. Group 1,
One.
stay in front. Ang group 2, stay sa mga sa Stay group 1, can you sit down? Aray group 1, group 1. Aray group 1, then aray group 2. Aray group 1. Then aray group 2. Wait, mabalik lang ha. Gawin mo din, kapat diwa na kausap. So, mabantayan mo na yung mga pictures class. So, kaya nilog out ang pictures class. So, can you form a circle in your group? Sige na lang, class. So, pag pick mo, 7 ka. 7 ka, may 7 ka. Pag pick mo, 7 ka, representative class. Okay, kita nga rin. More system. Okay, di alis sa front. Fourth line ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kung pagduhari, group 1. Sige, pag-form of straight line, watch mo dito. Sige, pag-form of straight line ka. How about group 2? Sa'yo, okay. Sabi mo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then, line 1. Isa. Sige, isa. Sige, isa. Kaya ba, class? Sige, form of straight line, class, please. Okay, very good. Straight line na ba? 2, 4, 6. Ulit, isa. Straight line. Isa sa group 1. Ito na po yung mga panalay ka ng mga kamu magpunta ka rin sa board. Ay, mga answer na yung akong ipangulitan. Tumupik mo o isa. Then, yung equal, asan siya na belong class kung it is big, bigger, biggest, small, smaller, smallest, tall, taller, tallest, Large, larger, largest, and happy, happier, happiest. Okay, class? Understand na ba? Okay, very good. Kita nagkamali? Nya, asa mag-figure dapat class? Okay, very good. Ano nga? Can you read class? Next. Kasa class? Okay. Wait, ako. Ano yung class? Ano sa mga siya? Tall or taller? Sa class? Okay, very good. Taller na. Tall na eh. How about this one class? Okay, very good. Tallest. So, dira ang tall nga coconut. Next, read class. Sakto ba? Okay, very good. Sakto. How about this one? Okay, very good. Can you give a round of applause to yourself, class? Bawang mag-is kay bawang. So, kaya nyo activity nga gibuhat class. Saan sa'yo mabantayan class? Anyone? Okay, stand up. Okay, very good. So, can you give a round of applause to Gabriel? So now, class, before we dig deeper in our discussion, let me introduce to you our learning objectives. So, can you read everyone? So now, class, today we will be talking about the degrees of adjective. Again, what we're going to tackle today? Okay, very good. So do you know, class, that degrees of adjectives has three degrees of adjectives. So can you read everyone? First,
Comparative degree, superlative degree.
okay, very good. So first, we will tackle about positive degree. So positive degree is used to describe one person, place, animal, or thing. So it does not compare. So parang ano is kanin ka, for example, big duckling. So unsa may magamat nga sentence ni class? So the duckling is swimming big another. Okay.
Mulupad.
Here are some examples, class. kanang another bitaw nga kanang for example another animal sa so nag-compare ta ni class? Wow, very good. So who can give me an example of positive degree class? Okay, very good. Huh? Okay, very good. Another? Okay, good. Positive okay, very good. Now, let's go to comparative degree. So, can you read everyone?
The comparative degree is used to compare two persons on a physically. It used to be an or uses the word for.
So, karon class, kung hindi siya ang mag-compare ka two persons or two person, animal, place, or things na naghanap ka plus two or more. So, for example,
The cat is smaller than dog.
okay, so can you read everyone? For example, for comparative degree.
Smaller than dog. The sun shines brighter than the stars.
Balik. Balik ba sa class?
The sun shines brighter than the stars.
Okay, very good. So, saan yung na-observeran class?
Stop.
Okay?
No. Margo.
Okay, Marco? Hmm? Okay, very good. Compares one thing or animals, place, or person. Okay, who can give me an example of comparative degree class?
Compares to person.
Example.
Compares to
Example.
the dog is stronger than the cat.
Okay, very
The blue sheep is bigger than the smaller sheep.
Okay.
The smaller, yeah.
Okay, very good. So now, let's go to the last, which is the superlative degree. Can you read everyone?
The superlative degree is used to compare three or more persons, animals, places, or things. It usually adds s or uses the word not.
For example, class? Okay, Margo? Three or more. Person? Very good. Who can give me an example? So again, class. What are the 3 degrees of adjectives? Okay, Margo?
Comparative.
Hmm? Louder, Margo? Okay, comparative degree. Oh, another. Okay.
Superlative degree.
Okay, very good. Another. And last one. Galing ako outside. Naman ang comparative. Superlative. Unsa ang kuwang?
Positive.
When we describe one thing, what degree of adjective do we use? Kung itong i-describe, isa ka ng
Positive. Positive. Positive degree.
Chewy.
Positive degree.
Okay, very good. Next, when we compare many things, what do we use? This one, when we compare 2 or more things, what degree do we use? How about this side? Abigail. Okay, very good. Comparative degree. So now, class, I'm grateful that all of you engaged to my lesson because nakatubag mo sa akong mga pangutana. So, gusto mo another activity, class? Again, gusto mo another activity? Okay, very good. So, in this activity titled Compare With Me. So, we'll group you into 4 groups. Can you count everyone? Four. Namdumi yung number ha? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Can you stand up, group 1? Can you stand up, group 1? So, go here in front. Go, stand up. Sige, alam mo sa front. Group 2. Ay, so, group 3, direct. Group 3, stand up. 1, 2, 4, stand up. Nasa group 1, nasa group 1. Group 2. Group 3. Group 4. Okay. Group 1, ano mo rin? Okay, find the seat. Group 1. Okay. Group 2, ano? Group 2. Group 3. Ano mo group 3? Okay, now mo group 4. Drawing ang hantag. Ha? Drawing.
Hindi naman siya cheap.
Ato ba paper?
Okay, listen sa class, listen. So, can you look at your pictures or drawing class? Group 1, what did you get? Group 1? In superlative,
Biggest, smallest, lowest, latest, hottest,
worksheet. So, group 1. Para isuot ang inyong answers sa activity. Group 2. Group 3. And group 4. So, I will give you 2 minutes only, class. 2 minutes. Okay na ba ang 2 minutes, ha? Dali ka? Okay na lapis. Lapis. Okay na lapis. Basta kayo makasuot mo sa lapis.
Ay, kami deh.
Okay, so.
Degrees ni Tir.
Okay na tanong ikot.
Na.
Ayun ba? Okay, so. Okay, so number your worksheet up to 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, number is up.
Wait, malitaw mo na.
Instruction. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So again, number 1, describe one picture using a positive adjective. Then number 2, compare two pictures using comparative adjective. And number 3, compare all the pictures using a superlative adjective. The timer starts now.
The potato,
White class kayo nyo. Do your activity silently, class.
So what else?
Oh, so what? Do your activity silently, class. So you will not disturb the
Dili. The activities are circle. Many circle. Then the apple. I like. I think it I've been reading the avocado. I say English also. The avocado.
Why monster masira? Okay, so group 1. Okay, group 1, can you read your answers? Okay. Group 1. Balik. Again.
Taog siya. Taog ka, Gar.
Okay, group 2. Can you read your answer? How about group 3? Can you read your answer? Group 3, can you read your answer? Tanap talaga. How about group 4? Okay, you will read your answer. Tanda na yung tanda.
Avocado is bigger than the cherry. 3. Banana is the biggest of all the four fruits.
Okay, very good. So, can you give a round of applause, class, for yourself? Since nakasin yung sama. Okay, sige. Now, go back to your seat. Go back to your seat. Kinamutang going. Go back to your seat first. So now, class, I have here another option for you. Instruction, class. Read each sentence carefully. Choose the correct letter only for the correct objective. So, letter only class ha. Letter only ang butang. Aray, butang sa pagkuha mong lapis or ballpen, class. I will give you 1 minute, class. Again, letter only, class.
Picture?